If you're learning hacking, but Linux still feels like a scary black screen full of random words, this video will change that. Every successful hacker, from bug bounty hunters to red teamers, relies on a small set of Linux commands, not hundreds. But most beginners, they memorize commands, forget them, panic during labs, and quit. Today I'll show you the top 50 Linux commands hackers actually use, organized by real attack phases, so you finally know what to use, when, and why. And stick till the end, because the next video shows how to turn these commands into real bug bounty money. No penguins harmed in this process, probably. Section 1. Recon and enumeration. Hacking starts before exploitation. First, you need intelligence. Nmap. Nmap is your X-ray vision. It shows open ports, services, versions, basically where to attack. Whois. Whois exposes domain ownership, emails, companies perfect for OSINT and recon. Dig/nslookup. These reveal DNS records, subdomains, and infrastructure leaks. Traceroute. This maps how packets travel, showing firewalls and network layout. Whatweb detects CMS, frameworks, server tech helping you match exploits faster. Sublist 3 are more subdomains equals more attack surface. Netstat/SS shows live connections and listening ports, great for spotting backdoors. lsof tells you which process is talking to the network. Recon isn't hacking fast, it's hacking smart. Section 2. System enumeration and privilege escalation. You got access, now the real game begins. Who am I? Who are you right now? ID. What groups do you belong to? Sudo-L. One misconfiguration here, and your root. Find. Used to locate SUID binaries in writable files. Privilege escalation. Gold. PS/top/htop. Find running services, cron jobs, or suspicious processes. Uname-A. Kernel version equals exploit selection. ls-la. Hidden files often hide secrets. env. Environment variables sometimes leak API keys. Linux leaks secrets like a badly configured S3 bucket. Section 3. File and credential hunting. Most hacks end here because credentials live in files. cat/less. Read configs and logs safely. Grep. Search for words like password, token, key. awk/sed. Extract and clean useful data. Strings. Pull readable text from binaries. Sometimes passwords are literally sitting there. File. Identify disguised scripts and malware. chmod/chodone. Used after privilege escalation, sometimes abused to get there. tar. Compressed data for exfiltration. Later you'll see how attackers automate all of this. Section 4. Web and network attacks. Now, let's talk real-world attacks. Curl. Custom HTTP requests, headers, APIs, auth testing. wget. Download payloads straight to the target. gobuster/dirb. Find hidden directories and endpoints. Nikto. Scan web servers for known misconfigs. sqlmap. Automates SQL injection databases, users, credentials. wpscan. WordPress vulnerabilities, plugins, users. burpsuite. Manual web exploitation powerhouse. xsser. Automated xsser testing. davtest. Find web DAV upload vulnerabilities. Tools don't hack, hackers do. Section 5. Exploitation and post-exploitation. This is where access turns into control. Netcat. Reverse shells. Bind shells. File transfer. The Swiss Army knife. msfconsole/msfvenom. Exploit delivery and payload generation. SSH/SCP. Persistence and secure movement. tcpdump/tshark. Sniff traffic, capture sessions. ettercap/bettercap. Man-in-the-middle attacks. Strace. Analyze how binaries behave. This phase separates learners from professionals. If Linux ever felt overwhelming, now you know the exact commands that matter. If this helped even a little, hit subscribe for more real hacking content. Next video, Bug Bounty for Beginners, where I show how these commands turn into real vulnerabilities. Because knowing commands is cool, but getting paid for them, that's better. See you in the terminal.